To launch the Microsoft Power BI desktop software, you can select the Start button on a Windows-based computer and simply type Power BI. You should see the Power BI app appear in the search list. To launch the app, simply select the icon or the Open option. If you do not have the desktop app installed on your computer, there are a number of ways to obtain it. If you work for an organization that has an IT department that controls corporate computers, you will need to contact them. If, however, you are working on your own computer, it is possible to download the app via the Windows Store. Simply open the Windows Store app and enter Power BI into the search bar. You should see the option appear to get the Power BI app. Alternatively, you could open your internet browser and enter Microsoft Power BI into the search bar. You should see an option to download the desktop app in the search results. Please note, ensure that you are downloading the app directly from Microsoft and not a third party. When you launch the app, it usually opens to a Power BI desktop welcome dialog box. This box contains additional instructional videos that you will find useful. In the upper right-hand corner of the dialog box, you will see the option, What's New? As mentioned in the introduction video, Power BI Desktop is updated monthly. It is a good idea to periodically take a look at the What's New area to see what enhancements have been implemented to the app. If you prefer not to have this welcome dialog box appear whenever you launch Power BI, you can disable it by deselecting the tick box in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You can still see similar information by selecting the ribbon tab Help.